Hi. What you doing? Are you having fun running circles around the car? I'm gonna get you. He thinks this is a game, I don't know why. Ah! I'm gonna get you. Boo. Calm down. I see you. Boo. Boo. Oh, now he's going in the front yard. Hey, it's wet over there. It's wet. Hey, I sprayed the yard. Come here. Come this way, please. Leander, can you say hi? Say hi. Look at Mama. Say hi, Dada. Hey. Oh boy, yeah, attention gone. Oh no! What happened? Say you're tough. Say bye. See ya. Ooh. You got icky hands? Yeah, just brush it on my pants. There. Look at. Where's your knees? Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, you got gravel in them. Brush them off. Brush them off. You'll live. Look at me. Look at. Say, all better. Bye. Bye. I'm all done. See you.